I'm Avantika Sinha from India.
And I'm Samantha Silver, and I'm from Iowa in the United States.
I'm from New York.
From Ukraine.
I am from Lagos, Nigeria.
I'm from El Salvador.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Serbia.
I'm Ralph. I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from India, Mumbai.
I'm half Dutch, half Costa Rican.
I get to meet professionals in the business who could take me that step further.
The quality of work's really good, the people are super ambitious, my lectures are really cool.
Ravensbourne had kind of the facilities to go into emerging technologies.
I was so impressed by the building and by the people there, by environment, and like I had no doubts which one I'm going to go to.
I'm studying a Master's of Design in Luxury Brand Management Innovation.
I'm studying foundation in art and design, fashion, textiles.
I'm a postgraduate doing moving image.
I'm on my second year studying the digital television.
I'm studying a master's in luxury brand management and innovation.
And I'm doing a master's in fashion design, specifically women's wear.
I'm studying in my final year of music production for media.
Digital film production.
I'm taking out my master's in environment design.
From a fashion design standpoint, you get to mix a lot more with the other technology students. Whereas if I went to a different university, say, whether in America or over here, I'd specifically only work with other fashion students.
I think that having everybody in the same space is really helpful for keeping a design mindset, but in multiple disciplines.
I think all the majors and all the pathways that the university offers are in the creative field. So that does create a lot of collaboration between fields and between the different pathways.
This is like the meeting place for all like-minded creative individuals to come and showcase their work.
It really does promote like social friction, and the great thing about it is we do not belong in one profession. I'm an architect, Anna's a fashion designer, and Frank is also an architect. And then it just creates a very collaborative atmosphere, which I find to be really fascinating. Definitely.
It creates a better environment for you to work in, and because the more people you have, the more diverse it is, the more creative it gets.
The course structure was pretty collaborative. It's you get to work with people from different fields.
Because of this like free space, working space as we call it, the feeling is that you're actually in the office.